In this video, I'm just going to show you how to answer a question on a frequency polygon, which does tend to come up most years in the Edexcel GCSE exam, both for foundation and higher students. This was question 4 in a higher paper, and it was question 23 in a foundation paper on the same year. So what I would do first is I would create a kind of bar chart or a frequency diagram, whatever you want to call it. If I notice that the rainfall is between 0 and 5 millimetres on 8 of the 60 days, I'm going to make a bar that goes between 0 and 5 and goes up to 8 on my graph. And I'm going to do this in pencil because actually this is not part of the frequency polygon, but it's a very, very easy way to draw the frequency polygon afterwards. The next bar goes between 5 and 10 millimetres and it goes up to 24 on my frequency axis. So I'm just sketching out these bars here. I'm not doing it with a ruler. Between 10 and 15 millimetres, it goes up 13. So if I get my scale right. And between 15 and 20 millimetres, it goes up 11. And between 20 and 25, it goes up to a frequency of 4. So I'm just going to check that I've got all my frequencies right. So the first one goes up to 8. The next one goes up to 24. And the next one goes up to 13. The next one goes up to 11. And the last one goes up to 4. So I'm convinced that all my frequency, all my heights of the frequencies are all correct there. Now, in order to draw my frequency polygon, what I need to do is I just need to plot the midpoint of each of the bars. So I'm just going to pop a little cross at the middle, at the top of each of my bars. And then what I'm going to do with my ruler, or if I don't have a ruler, like right now, I'm going to try and join them with a straight line. So I'm going to join each of my points together with this line as straight as I can manage. Because a polygon is a shape that has many straight sides. And if I do it right, I should join every single cross together. I'm not going to join the last cross with the first cross to make a polygon. I'm not going to do that. It's very tempting, but when students do that in the exam, they actually don't get the answer mark. So I'm going to have one mark for plotting the midpoints. At the correct frequency. And I'm going to have an accuracy mark for getting it all right and joining each point with a straight line. To the next one. And that is how to draw a frequency polygon. Good luck in your exam.